Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today we'll discuss about the quadratic formula. It is a method of to solve the quadratic equation or to find the roots of the equation. We have already discussed about the completing the square method and factorization method to find the roots of the equation. Okay. Now what is quadratic formula? If we have ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is a quadratic equation, then we find the roots of the equation using quadratic formula as. This is our quadratic formula. You have to learn it. X equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. Now let us start our exercise questions. Exercise 4.3. Find the roots of the quadratic equation by applying quadratic formula. Let us take our first question. 2x square plus x minus 4. On comparing the equation by ax square plus bx plus c, we obtain a equals to 2, b equals to 1 and c equals to minus 4 from this quadratic equation. By using quadratic formula, we get x equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is our quadratic formula. We have discussed it above. Now put the values of a, b and c in the formula. Here b equals to 1, therefore minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 4 divided by 2a. 2a means 2 multiplied 2. Value of a equals to 2. Therefore we get minus 1 plus minus 1 square. 1 square means 1 plus 32. Minus multiplication is plus. Okay. Now we get minus 1 plus minus root 33 divided by 4. 33 is not a perfect square. Therefore it remains same. Therefore there are two roots of the quadratic equation. The first is x equals to minus 1 plus 33 divided by 4 and the second one is x equals to minus 1 minus 33 root 33 divided by 4. This is the solution of our quadratic equation and these are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay. Now let us take the third part of second question. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equals to 0. First of all, compare the equation by general form of quadratic equation. Here a equals to 4, b equals to 4 root 3 and c equals to 3. This is our constant term. By using quadratic formula, we have quadratic formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now put the values of a, b, c in the formula. Okay. Now minus 4 root 3 plus minus 4 root 3 square minus 4 into 3. These are the values of a, b and c. Now we get minus 4 root 3 plus minus 4 root 3 square. 4 root 3 square means 4 square 16 and root 3 square 3 and the multiplication of 16 and 3 is 48. Minus 48, that becomes 0 and the square root of 0 is always 0. Then we have minus 4 root 3 plus minus 0 divided by 8. Now we have the two roots of the equation. Minus 4 root 3 plus minus 0. Therefore first of all minus 4 root 3 plus 0 divided by 8 and the second one is minus 4 root 3 minus 0 divided by 8. If we add or subtract 0, then the result itself. Okay. Now we get one root is minus root 3 divided by 2 or the second root is minus root 3 divided by 2. Okay. We have two more questions. Try to do yourself. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 and 2x square plus x plus 4 equals to 0. Try to do it yourself. Now we have our third question. Find the roots of the following equation. The equation is x minus 1 upon x equals to 3, where x not equals to 0. This is our condition. Okay. Now try to solve this question by using quadratic formula or factorization method. जो आपको कंफर्टेबल लगे आप उसी में करो. ओके, जो आपको इजी लगे. नाउ टेकिंग x एज LCM, we get x square minus 1 equals to 3x. Okay, when we take the x as the LCM of whole equation, then x हम eliminate कर देंगे. Now we get x square minus 3x minus 1. 3x को हम इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे लेफ्ट साइड, then it becomes minus sign equals to 0. Now compare the equation by general form of the quadratic equation. Here a equals to 1, b equals to minus 3, a equals to 1, b equals to minus 3 and c equals to minus 1. And we have our quadratic formula is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now place the values of a, b and c in the formula. Now we get minus minus, that is plus, plus 3 plus minus, minus 3 square is 9 and 4 multiply 1 multiply minus 1 is plus 4 and we get 13. Okay. Now roots of the equation are 3 plus, एक बार हम प्लस वाली वैल्यू लेंगे और दूसरे बार हम माइनस वाली वैल्यू लेंगे. रूट्स ऑफ द इक्वेशन आर 3 प्लस रूट 13 बाई 2 एंड 3 माइनस रूट 13 बाई 2. ओके. नाउ our second question is 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 equals to 11 by 30. Okay, do yourself same as the question solved above. Taking x plus 4, x minus 7 and 30 by as LCM. Okay, and solve the question yourself. Our fourth question is the sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's is in years. Okay. 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. You have to find the Rahman's present age. Okay, and you have given his age 3 years ago and 5 years from now. Okay, and the sum of their reciprocal is 1 by 3. That means first of all you have to find the age of Rahman. Therefore you have to suppose the age of Rahman. That means let the present age of Rahman equals to x years. 3 years ago. Ago means ago हो, before हो. Identify these words. अगर ये words हमारे आ रहे हैं, that means हमें इसमें क्या करना है? Ago means 3 साल पहले. पहले कितनी होगी एज? उसकी एज आज की एज के कंपैरिजन में तो कम होगी. That's why x minus 3. ओके, अगर आज आपकी एज 15 ईयर्स है तो 3 ईयर्स पहले कितनी होगी? 15 माइनस 3 दैट मीन्स 12. इन द सेम वे रहमान्स एज इज x माइनस 3. 5 years from now or you can say after, hence, these words. In these type of words you have to add the years in the present age. That means 5 years from now, आज से 5 साल बाद, मीन्स अगर आज आपकी एज 15 ईयर्स है तो आज के 5 साल बाद कितनी होगी? 15 प्लस 5. दैट मीन्स रहमान की एज भी कितनी हो गई? x प्लस 5 ईयर्स. ओके, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है इसमें? क्वेश्चन में कहा है कि उनकी एज का रेसिप्रोकल का सम. व्हाट इज द रेसिप्रोकल? रेसिप्रोकल मीन्स कि अगर आपके पास उसकी एज 3 ईयर्स पहले x माइनस 3 थी तो उसका रेसिप्रोकल होगा 1 बाई एक्स माइनस 3. x प्लस 5 का रेसिप्रोकल हो गया 1 अपॉन एक्स प्लस 5 इक्वल्स टू, और उनका सम कितना है? इक्वल्स टू 1 बाई 3. ओके. नाउ टेक द LCM x minus 3, x plus 5 and 3. Okay. Solve the equation. Now multiply 3 from x plus 5. Therefore 3x plus 15 plus 3x minus 9 equals to, multiplication of these two bracket is x square minus 3x plus 5x minus 15. Now we get 3x plus 3x is 6x, 15 minus 9 is 6, and x square 5x minus 3x 2x minus 15. That means you have to simplify the terms. Now switch 6x right side and 6 on right side, and it becomes minus 6. X square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x, and 6 is minus 6. Now simplify the equation. X square minus 4x minus 21 equals to 0. It is very simple. Using factorization method we solve it. That means split the middle term, and then we get minus 7x plus 3x. Minus 7x plus 3x equals to minus 4x, and 7 multiply 3 is minus 7 multiply 3 is equals to minus 21. Now x is common from the first two terms, x minus 7, and 3 is common from the last two terms. That means we get x minus 7. Now x minus 7 is common, therefore we have x plus 3. We have two factors of this equation. Therefore either x minus 7 equals to 0 or x plus 3 equals to 0. Now we get x equals to 7 or x equals to minus 3. X equals to minus 3 is rejected because एज कैन नेवर बी नेगेटिव. एज कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकती. therefore हम x equals to 3 को रिजेक्ट करेंगे and we have x equals to 7. That means age of Rahman is 7 years. This is the present age of Rahman. Okay, got it? Now let's start our fifth question. Our fifth question is, in a class test the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. What is your question? Try to understand it. Okay. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसने कहा है कि जो शेफाली के मार्क्स है मैथ्स और इंग्लिश दोनों सब्जेक्ट में 30 है, दोनों का सम 30 है. अगर वो 2 मार्क्स ज़्यादा लेती मैथ्स में और 3 मार्क्स कम लेती इंग्लिश में, तो जो उनके मार्क्स का प्रोडक्ट है वो कितना होता? 210. इट इज़ और कंडीशन. ओके, फाइंड हर मार्क्स इन द 2 सब्जेक्ट. अगर हमें उनमें मार्क्स निकालने हैं देन यू हैव टू सपोज देयर मार्क्स. ओके, लेट द मार्क्स ऑफ शेफाली इन मैथमेटिक्स इक्वल्स टू x. अगर हमने x मान लिए हैं मैथ्स में तो इंग्लिश में कितने होंगे? 30 माइनस x, बिकॉज वी हैव द टोटल सम ऑफ देयर मार्क्स इज 30. अब हम अपनी कंडीशन पे आते हैं. इफ शी गोट 2 मार्क्स मोर इन मैथमेटिक्स देन हर मार्क्स विल बी x प्लस 2. 2 नंबर ज्यादा है. ओके, अब नेक्स्ट कंडीशन है 3 मार्क्स लेस इन इंग्लिश, देन हर मार्क्स इज 30 माइनस एक्स. तो उसके ऑलरेडी थे, 3 मार्क्स उसमें और कम कर दिए. दैट मीन्स 27 माइनस एक्स एंड देयर प्रोडक्ट इज 210. दैट मीन्स एक्स प्लस 2, 27 माइनस एक्स, इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट कितना होगा? 210. ओके, now multiply these 2 brackets and we get 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x equals to 210. Now simplify this equation. Minus x square, 27 minus 2, that is 25x plus 54 and minus 210. 210 becomes on the left minus 210 equals to 0. And finally we have an equation x square plus 25x minus 156. We have to take common as minus, then x square plus का बन गया minus 25x and minus 156 is plus 156. And we have the equation x square minus 25x plus 156 equals to 0. Now solve it by factorization method, and our factorization method means splitting the middle term. middle term है हमारी -25x, एंड हमें इसको स्प्लिट ऐसे करना है कि जो इसकी दो टर्म्स निकल के आए उनका सम तो होना चाहिए -25x और उनका प्रोडक्ट होना चाहिए +156. Okay, now we have -13 and -12 as the two factor. Take x as common from the first two terms and 12 common from the next two terms, and we get x equals to -13 and x equals to 13 and x equals to 12. Okay, therefore marks of Shefali के मार्क्स मैथ्स में कितने, इंग्लिश में कितने? इफ शेफालीज मार्क्स इन मैथ्स इज 13, then in English is 30 minus 13, that is 17. And if Shefali's marks in mathematics is 12, then in English is 18. 30 minus 12 equals to 18. That means these two conditions are possible. 13 भी possible है और 12 भी possible है. Okay, now we will discuss from question 4th in our next class. Okay, thank you.